Alright, up for sale is a 2005 Ford F150 truck. It's got a 5.4 liter engine, XL Triton motor. This car was formerly part of a fleet for an air conditioning company that upgraded their vehicle. The truck is in amazing condition. Some of the new things that were replaced on it was the timing chain. It had a valve job on it. The spark plugs were also replaced. And AC runs great. The tires are new. I'll show that in a second, or you can see it on the pictures on the Craigslist posting. It's got a lumber rack, and the registration expires in March of 2014. So I'm just going full circle. So I'm going to open it up. So you can see it's got new seats that have been replaced. Looks really great. So you come take a look. And I'm going to start it up. Again, the air conditioning's on, so you can hear it. It's got a radio. Turn that off. Again, 160,810 miles. I'm gonna rev it. I had an opportunity to drive this truck, and again, it's in really great condition. So if you're looking for a vehicle like this,